Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change auto download settings on Telegram. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to the Telegram app and after that go and click on settings, and after that go to data and storage. And as you can see here, the second option is automatic media download, and you have two options. The first one is when using your cellular network, like the internet that you have from your SIM card, and the second one is while you are using Wi-Fi, and you may be using Wi-Fi in a cafe or in your house or in a library, a hotel, or any place. So let's start with using cellular. So as you can see here, auto download media is activated. You can deactivate it. And the data usage, you can use low data mode here, or use medium, or use high. And this will change like how big is the media that Telegram will auto download. So here, as you can see, the first one for the photos, as you can see, you can auto download photos for contacts, for other private chats, group chats, or channels. If you don't like anything from them, you can just deactivate it. For the stories also, you can deactivate it. For the videos, you can choose the maximum video size. It can go to up to 1.5 gigabyte, and choose also the source that you want to download from. And for the files also it's the same. And after that you have just to go to using Wi-Fi and do exactly the same thing that we did with the using cellular option. And like that you will change auto download settings on your Telegram account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.